Yo, another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off outside of Mix right now, and I'm waiting to pick up an order, and I don't know how long this is gonna be, but meanwhile I'm letting my phone charge like right there. There's a whole bunch of carriers inside. I'm gonna hang out here because I just picked up an order a minute ago and it took forever. Like I thought like I was 15 minutes late getting there, and then I waited like 15 minutes and then I left. Had like 3 falafel balls, went back, the order still wasn't ready, and I waited another 5 minutes, and the guy just hooked me up with some chips and salsa. It was a Mexican restaurant, so I got some chips, some salsa here. That's a whole bunch of chips, yo. That's like a whole meal. That's like lunch right there. No MealPal today. But anyway, I'm waiting on this order. Also letting my phone charge. But yo, let's get this video started. Okay, so far today I've already went out and worked, and it's sort of the mid-afternoon, and I thought I would do some touristy stuff. I had this idea since I had a delivery that dropped off near Golden Gate Park. I said, yo, let's ride out to the beach. But I can't just ride straight out to the beach because there's a lot of things to see along the way. So here behind me is some little San Francisco artwork. This actually looks very European, and this looks very old, but it's not, because nothing in California is too old because everything burns in California. But over here we got some skaters. We got another museum over here. I don't remember the name of this museum. I'll probably check it out eventually, but not in this video. I'm just cruising on this video. And then we also have all these little weird trees that are probably not native trees to California. A lot of trees in this park are from like all over the world, which is kind of cool. Like they just imported a whole bunch of trees like a long time ago, and there's lots of trees still alive in the park today. And here we have it. I mean, come on, how European does it look right here? It's like Europe all the way. I mean, even from just all of this reminds me of Europe, like completely. Like just from the walkway to the benches to the architect, like all of it. I mean, I'm not hating on Europe. I'm just pointing it out. But let's keep riding along the way because I got a while to go before we get to the beach. No skating, no bikes. Okay, so I won't go around this, but this reminds me of a lot of places I've been to. This reminds me of Paris a little bit. This reminds me of London. This definitely reminds me of New York a little bit. And this is a part of San Francisco that I don't really ever come to. It's just way out here. Like this is, let me figure out where we are. Let's look on Google Maps here. We are way out here by 30th and Fulton. No, 34th and Fulton. This is way out of my whole area of traveling in the city. I hardly ever come out here unless I have a really good reason to. I never roam around out here, but I'll go get on an airplane and go roam around another part of the world, but I won't roam around SF. Let's roam around SF, man. This place is pretty wholesome. Let's keep going. We're almost at the beach, and then once we get to the beach, we will take a different route back and see what else is along the way. And there's still so many trails, like off-roading trails that are left to explore. Oh my gosh, this could last a really, really long time. Sounds like fun. Okay, that's it of the GoPro. It finally died, but check out this place. It's weird, I've never been here. I actually saw this on Google Maps when I was trying to figure out how long it would take to get to the beach. And I saw this on Google Maps, and it was along the way. So I stopped and said, yo, let's check it out. Look at all these flowers, though. Huh. All right, the beach is like right around the corner here. It is much, much cooler over here in this part of the city versus back on the other side of the city. We're right over here by the water, and it's super windy. Well, not windy now, but it's breezy from the ocean, and it makes it cooler in this neighborhood. There's less things to hold heat, like in downtown, buildings, concrete, cars. Yeah. All right, cool beans. We just made it to the beach. There's actually there's a lot of people here. I didn't think it would be a lot of people at the beach, but honestly, I didn't even think about people being at the beach. Like, I'm so like, my mind is so city. Like I forgot that there's a freaking beach here. So I guess let's go back through Golden Gate Park and let's go explore random things along the way. It's definitely cooling off a lot. When I was over in the park, like, I guess it was windy because it's not as cool. It's not as cold, like, cool here. Maybe because I'm, like, directly in the sun. But, like, downtown is much cooler because I didn't bring a jacket because the weather was chill downtown. But I guess, like, later in the afternoon, I'll definitely need a jacket. Where's the battery? I'm still on a full battery. That can't be right. I must be at, like, 85% or something. But yeah, let's get ready to head back. Oh my gosh, the weather is so nice here. I think maybe next week I'll take a couple of days off and just come hang out here. Yeah, I think that's cool. Yeah, anyway, next. Selfie life, yo. This is not how you ride your bike. So bad, yo. So bad. Selfie life. Ah! Alright, as of now, I've already made it back downtown. I already dropped the bike off. I want to go get some food. It's so much warmer downtown. Like, it's crazy warm right here. It's also crazy bright. I'm walking on this alleyway. The mall is, like, right up ahead here. And I'm super stoked. I gotta charge the GoPro because the GoPro died on me. I think I was cycling and I just left the GoPro on and I just didn't know that it was on. So I may have some pretty cool side hip footage. However that works, side hip footage. I don't know. Weird. Okay, it's a little bit later, back out here on the bike. Just picked up from this restaurant, the one they get them $5 bonuses every time you pick up an order. On the way to the financial district right now. Hopefully I'll get some more orders from this spot. The bonuses tonight are every 3 deliveries you get a $10 bonus. So that's pretty jamming if you know what I'm saying. I just rode here. I love this spot. It's so beautiful. I love the bike. I can get here on the bike. Namaste. What a beautiful view. I passed those people at the bottom of the hill. Already at the top of the hill, hilltop, hill city, hill city, hill city. Right now over here in this neighborhood, I'm just exploring all day today, right? That's okay.